Walmart app updates can change how features look, where settings appear, and how shoppers complete tasks inside the app. By the end, you'll know what to check after a Walmart app update, how to identify changes, and what steps to take if something stops working. The first thing to check after an update is the app layout. Updates can move buttons, change menus, or adjust where features are located. If you cannot find a feature that was available before, open the app and check the main navigation sections first. Many changes are visual, rather than a complete removal of a feature. The second area to check is your account. App updates can sometimes require you to sign in again, or refresh your account connection. If your orders, saved items, or account information do not appear correctly, confirm that you are signed into the same Walmart account you normally use. The third area is shopping and checkout. After an update, users often check whether searching for products, adding items to a cart, and completing purchases work normally. If checkout does not work correctly, review your cart, confirm your payment details, and restart the app before trying again. Another area to review is pickup and delivery information. Updates can change how order details are displayed, so check the order section carefully if information looks different. When an app update causes a problem, collect the details before contacting support. Write down what changed, what you were trying to do, your device type, and any error message shown on the screen. These details help explain whether the issue is related to the app update, your account, your device, or a specific order. To check whether you have the latest version, open your device's App Store and look for available updates. Installing the newest version can provide bug fixes and compatibility improvements. If problems continue, basic troubleshooting steps include closing and reopening the app, checking your internet connection, and signing out and back into your account. The main points are simple. First, app updates can change layouts and how features are accessed. Second, account, checkout, and order sections are the main areas to test after an update. Third, documenting the exact problem makes support requests more useful. Your next step is to open the Walmart app, check the areas you use most, and note any changes or errors. If this guide helped you understand Walmart app updates, like the video, and subscribe for more practical app troubleshooting guides.